Welcome to the SEO.co Search Engine Optimization Podcast. Digital marketing essentials and next level tactics. From offsite and on-site optimization to persuasive selling and everything in between. You'll learn actionable tips on what it takes to outright and outrank your competition. Welcome to the SEO.co Search Engine Optimization Podcast. Digital marketing essentials and next level tactics. From offsite and on-site optimization to persuasive selling and everything in between. You'll learn actionable tips on what it takes to outright and outrank your competition.
When talking about the process of building a website, we generally use the terms website design and website development interchangeably. However, have you ever wondered what the difference between the two is, if there is any? There is actually a difference between the two terms. A website designer is a specialist with graphic art skills that's responsible for planning and designing the visual appearance, layout, and utility of a website. As such, a successful website designer must possess impeccable technical, graphic, and creative skills. On the other hand, a website developer is a person who creates and maintains the primary structure of a website. Website developers are instrumental in transforming a design into a fully functional website, using a combination of coding languages such as Python, PHP, JavaScript, and HTML. Whether you're considering starting a new website project or want to begin a career as either specialist, understanding the roles and responsibilities of both in their natural setting is key. Below, you'll learn all about website design versus website development. Website Design 101. Website designers navigate through a wide variety of different tasks. Nonetheless, a website designer's primary role is centered on creating the visual aspects and layout of a website. Their job is to make sure that a website's design is both visually appealing and user-friendly to captivate users to stick around and convert, become a customer. The scope of this job goes beyond planning the layout structure and general framework of a website. It also entails constructing specific elements to compel website users to convert, as well as designing website pages to be presentable on both desktop computers and mobile devices, smartphones, tablets, etc., with smaller screens. Websites are constantly changing. Therefore, website designers need to stay up to date on the current trends, ensuring that their products are in season and follow the best practices and standards. As a result, they'll deal with fonts, color palettes, and brand imagery. Website designers will even create a style guide that will coordinate developers in creating a satisfactory website product. Website designers also manage other essential documents and resources such as website briefs and contracts, website proposals, website design questionnaires. Website designers are involved in a considerable amount of testing and research to ensure that their product meets customer expectations and the highest design standards. Furthermore, a website designer must consider how their work will impact the development of the final product. Designers will need to build a sitemap, which is a diagram or skeleton of a website's architecture. The sitemap will then be transformed into a mockup, a visual representation of the website. Developers are tasked with bringing these resources to life. A website designer may also perform vital services after the launch of the website, such as ongoing performance checks, maintenance, and content creation services. Types of website designers. There are multiple types of website designers, each involved in a specific expertise. These are user experience, UX. This involves how the user will interact with the website. User interface, UI. This involves the structure of the website, or simply, what the user will interact with. Visual. This is the appearance of the website. Depending on the website project, these website designers can play an integral role in its success. UX designers. These designers make sure that a website is designed in a perfect way that engages an audience and delivers a satisfactory experience. Their main responsibility is to transform a human-based design into a data-driven template. This involves performing a lot of research and A/B testing to UI designers. UI designers play an important role in the design and development of a website. Their job is to optimize a website's design to facilitate seamless user interaction and encourage conversions. Visual designers. Visual designers deal with the visual elements and layout of a website. Their work involves a combination of UX and UI design. Their duties are based on making sure a website is easy to use and visually pleasing. Many website designers use a wide variety of tools, software, and programs to make all of this possible. For example, Adobe Photoshop is a popular tool that allows visual designers to create a mockup. They may also rely on image compression and optimization tools, as well as stock images to complete the design of a website. Finally, website designers are fluent in using content management systems like WordPress to complete their designs. Website designers must be skilled in using prototype and wireframe tools to help them visualize and lay out a website's framework. These will be tested during the development process to create the final mockup. Skills every website designer need. Depending on a designer's specific specialty and role, a website designer's required skills will vary. Generally speaking, here are some essential skills every website designer will need. CSS and HTML basic skills. Knowledge of website accessibility and website design standards. Responsive website design skills. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. Buyer's journey mapping. Prototyping and wireframing. Typography, color theory, and branding. Design software and tools. Website designers should also possess non-technical skills such as strong communication, essential in taking customer specifications and converting them into a successful project. Since website designers play an instrumental role in a website project, they must also communicate regularly with developers and other staff.
Thank you for joining us on the SEO.co podcast. We appreciate your time. Be sure to rate, review, and subscribe to the show and visit SEO.co for more resources based on today's topic, as well as access to more podcast episodes to help you improve your site's long-term SEO success.